Hello my dear student of standard 7. How are you? Hope you are fine. Welcome to my economics class. There are two pictures, so you can easily understand that what am I going to teach you today. Yes, this is SDG, that means Sustainable Development Goals. Before SDG there is MDG goals. In standard 6 I have explained MDG. The UN works for global peace and mutual cooperation. The first attempt taken by UN was MDG for the period of 2000 to 2015. There are 8 goals of Millennium Development Goal. Number 1, to eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Number 2, to achieve universal primary education. 3, to promote gender equality and empowerment of women. 4, to reduce child mortality. 5, to improve maternal health. 6, to combat HIV or AIDS, malaria and other diseases. To ensure environmental sustainability, etc. Now SDG. In its continuation, the UN declared global aims for sustainable development on 25th September 2015. It is also called Transforming Our Sustainable Development World. There are 17 goals, 169 objectives and 230 indicators for sustainable development. First goal, that is no poverty. Millions of people in the globe are still living below the extreme poverty. They are deprived of fundamental needs for survival. That is why ending poverty is the main target through SDG. In Bangladesh, 25.6% people are staying below the poverty line. That means about 4 crore people are still living below the poverty line and considered as poor. So, to come out from this situation, individual and government should take some steps. Government will establish institutions so that the unemployed people will get the opportunity to engage themselves there and get rid of from poverty. Second, zero hunger. Nobody can work when he or she is hungry. So, we have to build up a hunger-free world. We have to confirm plenty of safe nutrition and necessary food as per choice. By providing SDG system, we can ensure food security. In the whole world, 100 crore people have been passing their night without having any meal. That means out of 107 people are suffering from hunger. 41% children, that means 70 lakh children are suffering from malnutrition in the world. We know that an empty stomach cannot engage in any developmental activities. SDG tell that there will be such type of world where there will be no hunger. So to get rid of such situation, we have to produce more production. We will plant fruit trees instead of flowers. We should not waste food. In the city area, people do roof agriculture activities. Now number 3, good health and well-being. Healthy lifestyle has to be ensured for strong and healthy living. For this, a standard health service system is to be established for the well-being of all people of all ages. In the whole world, 40 crore people are deprived from basic health facilities. In our country, there is also lack of standard health services. Lakhs of people from different places come to Dhaka for better treatment. As a result, they suffer from different hazards. 4. Quality education. We know education is the backbone of a nation. So when quality education is ensured in a country, there will be SDG in education sector. The main aim of education is to acquire knowledge, skill, attitude. Education helps to adopt people to cope with the environment. So here, inclusive and equitable education has to be ensured and opportunity for lifelong education is to be provided. There are some pictures of inclusive education. Now, what is inclusive education? Inclusive education means all children in the same classroom, in the same school. It means real learning opportunities for groups who have traditionally been excluded, not only children with disabilities but speakers of minority languages too. And equitable quality education means equitable participation in quality education, and it is a unfinished agenda. Quality education provides people with the knowledge, skills, attitudes and creativity needed to solve problems locally and globally. And activity contributes to the sustainable and democratic development of society. So you can see here that is different type of students, they are getting education in the same classes. Number 5, gender equality. Gender disparity is prevailing everywhere. It hinders the trends of socio-economic development. So equality between male and female is necessary. That is why changing of social attitude is needed for women and girls empowerment and to reduce gender inequalities. This is the picture of male and female, that is gender equality of male and female. Number 6, clean water and sanitation. Pure water and sewerage system is urgent for good health. Due to lack of this, various contagious diseases and lead us to death. So we have to preserve, purify and reuse natural water. Besides, we have to develop local sewerage management along with good habits to promote SDG. Suppose when we take bath, we waste a lot of water. We never think that there is a limitation of supply of water. We don't know that in the whole world, 78 crore people are deprived of getting sufficient water for regular activities. Every day they suffer from lack of clean water, whereas we waste water without any reason. In Africa, due to lack of clean supply water, they become sick and suffering from different diseases. In Bangladesh, some conditions prevail also. If we go to Khulna or nearer to the Sundarban, we can feel the scarcity of clean water. So we have to use water carefully with low wastage. In the whole world, 250 crore people do not have proper sanitation system. So this great amount of people always bear the risks of different diseases like diarrhea, cholera, etc. As a result, in the world, each year near about 8 lakhs children died of diarrhea due to lack of proper sanitation. Though the rate of child mortality rate is low in Bangladesh, but we are not out of risks. So we have to take necessary steps to arrange proper sanitation. There are some pictures, that is clean water. Okay, now 7. Affordable and clean energy. Clean energy means the energy which has no negative impact on environment. It is possible by ensuring pollution-free renewable energy with reasonable prices. By using cow dung, hyacinth, household liquid, dirt, solar energy, windmill, affordable renewable energy can be produced. There are some picture. This is the picture of windmill. This is solar panel. So to get renewable energy, we have to produce more windmill, solar system, etc. Now we have some duties to preserve this energy. At first, we will turn off gas burner after cooking. We can practice in walking, riding bicycle instead of riding car or motorcycle. We will use energy bulb or LED bulb instead of yellow bulb. We can use CNG in car or bus instead of mobile or diesel. And we can conserve this clean energy. 8. Decent work and economic growth. According to the ILO, International Labour Organization, decent work involves opportunity for the work that are productive and deliver a fair wage, security in the workplace and social protection for families, working opportunities for all according to qualification to be provided for ensuring economic growth. Decent work means where there will be no risks of working. Here some pictures you can see. Some children are working here. These are not the decent activities because they are children. Nine, industry, innovation and infrastructure. Development of any developing country mostly depends on industry and infrastructure of that country. About 1/3 of total GDP comes from industry sector. Garments is our main industry of producing exporting goods. There are other some industries which are playing a great role in economic development. So we have to make the development sustainable by establishing new industries based on local raw material, encouraging need-based technology, innovation and developing environment-friendly infrastructure. 10. Reduce inequalities. All kinds of disparity irrespective of caste, creed, religion, sex, status and age are to be reduced. So we can generally see the inequalities between white and black, inequalities between male and female, inequalities between majority and minorities, inequalities between income of male and female. We have to reduce all types of inequalities by ensuring equal right, equity and equality under national, regional and global consideration. So in this picture you can see that this is the slum area, and besides slum area there is one multi-storied building. So we have to reduce this type of inequalities from our society. And male and female, obviously there will be equal gender equality. Now we will watch one song. Now, 11 number goals, sustainable cities and communities. Sustainable cities means when planet, forest, pure drinking water, clean water body, open play ground, park, sanitation system are ensured. You can see here all the pictures here. Sustainable cities, everything is available here. Okay, next 12 goals, responsible consumption and production. So before that, what is consumption? Consumption means the process of consuming or using goods or services. That means when we eat a apple, that time the process or consuming apple is eating. When we wear a dress, the process of consuming or using the dress is wearing. So this is called consumption. Now production means to transform any product from one form to another by using technology. That means from yarn we get shirt, from wood we get chair. Now sustainable consumption. Sustainable consumption is the use of products and services that have a minimum positive impact on environment so that the future generation can meet their needs. And sustainable production means sustainable production is the creation of goods and services using processes and systems that are non-pollution, conserving energy resources, state and helpful for workers, communities and consumers. So by maintaining this sustainable consumption and sustainable production, we can achieve SDG 13. Climate action. Excessive temperature, drought, heavy downpour, flood and other natural disasters occur because of climate change. So we have to mitigate adverse effect of climate change without any delay. Awareness is necessary for what to do at pre, during and post disaster period. 14. Life below water. There are many seas and oceans in the world. They are full of sea animals, gases, oil and minerals also. We have to ensure the conservation of biodiversity of aquatic animals. We will not pollute the water. We will be more conscious during extracting of mineral resources from seas because we should be thanked to seas and oceans for rainwater, drinking water, weather, climate, food we eat, and oxygen we breathe. There are many aquatic animals you can see, and in this picture how water is polluted, we can see this here. Fifteen, life on land. We have plain, land, hills, forest, rivers and different species of animals on the earth. Human life depends on the earth as much as the ocean for our sustenance and livelihoods. Forests cover 30% of the earth's surface, provide vital habitats for millions of species and important sources for clean air and water, as well as being crucial for combating climate change. So, we should protect, restore and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forest, combat desertification, halt and reverse land degradation and halt biodiversity loss. Here, desertification means the process by which fertile land becomes desert as a result of drought, deforestation or inappropriate agricultural production. 16. Peace, justice and strong institutions. Everyone has the right to live in peace and safety, and all of us have right to get benefit of any development in the society. We have to ensure everyone's participation in the process of development. Besides, justice and peace should be ensured for all. In this way, violence, torture, repression, corruption, child and women trafficking are to be prevented. For this, we have to work for a peaceful and inclusive society. Seventeen, partnerships for the goals. A partnership is a formal arrangement by two or more parties to manage and operate a business and share its profits. There are several of partnership arrangement. In a partnership business, all partners share liabilities, profits or loss and bear the risks of the production equally. The world has become a global village where we are inhabitants. Social, economic, political and environmental cooperation plays an important role here. This mutual cooperation is essential for any kind of development. It is also called partnership. Here we can see the mutual partnership. The people they are working here together. Here is also they are doing same activities equally. So, we have completed our 17 goals. Now, for some possible questions from this chapter. Number 1, what is SDG? Number 2, write the objective of MDG. Write the goals of SDG. What is consumption? What is production? What do you understand by sustainable city? How can you reduce poverty from your society? Write 4 ways to stop water pollution, etc. So beside these questions, there may be more short question plus MCQ. But one more thing, that is the goals of SDG, no need to memorize the all explanation. The more important is that first 5 is very important. You can memorize this, and others just you will read out and you give revision more and more times. Okay, so this is my last class of standard 7. Stay at your home safely, and goodbye everyone.